Good morning. You are listening to Kanak Keswani, your news anchor of Lavafara Media. Here we bring you latest updated news from around the world. India will get its growth back. Need to be self-reliant, PM tells India INC, stressing on the need for self-reliance and a stronger focus on manufacturing locally by enterprises. Prime Minister Narendra Modi Tuesday said the government's highest priority is to strengthen the economy against the impact of coronavirus and get the country back on the growth track, calling the industry to rise to the occasion. Modi said there is a need to build robust local supply chains and focus on Make in India. Case count nears 2 lakh mark, ICMR says, far away from peak. As the total COVID-19 cases count nears the 2 lakh mark, Indian Council of Medical Research scientist Dr. Nivedita Gupta said on Tuesday that the country is still very far away from the peak. In an infectious disease, a peak signifies the point at which the daily case count will start to fall. Over the last few days, over 8,000 new cases have been reported from across the country daily. LSE talks on twin tracks India, China and India US, stepping up efforts to escalate the situation along the line of actual control in Ladakh. India and China will start a fresh round of military talks on June 6, bringing their senior commanders to the table. On the build-up of troops, Singh said the problem has risen because of the different LSE claims of the two sides. Meanwhile, diplomatic sources pointed to another development over the LSE tensions. India and US are likely to establish a high-level contact soon. The new India-US conversation, sources said, could be on the strained relations with China, the COVID-19 situation and the proposed expansion of the G7. 2 terrorists killed in Pulwama. 2 militants were killed in an encounter by security forces on Tuesday morning in Bal, South Kashmir's Pulwama district. Security forces conducted a search operation on the presence of militants in Samoa, in Tral area. The Army's 42 Rashtriya Rifles, 180 Battalion CRPF and police surrounded the house where the terrorists were hiding during house-to-house searches. The terrorists were asked to surrender, but they started firing. After this, 2 were killed by the security forces in retaliation. The hearing on the petition seeking the renaming of India to the Supreme Court was adjourned. However, the date of next hearing has not been given. Actually, the bench which had to hear this petition was not available on Tuesday. Petitioner Nama has urged the Supreme Court that the government will be justified with changing the words of the Amar sacrifices who fought the India fight through Constitution Amendment to India. He says that the India document has different names. With the discontinuation of the use of the word, the government of India, citizens of driving on this country, Aadhaar card, will get rid of the Union of India on license from the imperialistic past. At the same time, our passport is inspired to be proud of the Republic Indian nationality. and this leads to confusion. So one will do, and there should be a name for a country that is difficult for independence. Trump threatens to deploy military on streets as tumult grips US cities. Across the US, police arrested hundreds of people and scores of protesters and officers reported being injured in clashes. That was how a seventh day of largely peaceful protest over the death of George Floyd descended into another night of chaos marked by violence and destruction. I, Kanak Keswani, will come with new updates tomorrow. Stay tuned with us. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.